Top 50 AI business tips to stay ahead of the competition. Start with a clear AI strategy. Align AI efforts with your business goals. Focus on solving real problems. Implement AI where it delivers measurable impact. Educate your team about AI basics. Make sure everyone understands AI's potential and limitations. Use AI to improve customer experience. Chatbots, recommendation engines, and personalization boost engagement. Adopt AI for data-driven decisions. Leverage predictive analytics for smarter planning. Automate repetitive tasks. Free up human resources for higher-value work. Invest in quality data. AI is only as good as the data you feed it. Ensure ethical AI practices. Consider fairness, transparency, and accountability. Start small and scale fast. Run pilot projects before full deployment. Track ROI of AI investments. Measure the value and optimize regularly. Use AI in marketing automation. Target the right audience with personalized campaigns. Implement AI in sales forecasting. Gain better visibility into future revenue. Adopt AI-powered CRM systems. Enhance customer relationships and retention. Use AI to analyze customer feedback. Extract insights from reviews, surveys, and social media. Explore AI-driven content creation. Save time while maintaining quality. Streamline hiring with AI tools. Optimize candidate screening and talent matching. Monitor competitors with AI. Use tools that track and analyze competitor moves. Use AI for financial planning. Forecast cash flow and detect fraud. Explore AI in logistics and supply chain. Optimize inventory, routing, and delivery. Leverage AI for product innovation. Analyze market gaps and trends faster. Integrate AI with IoT for smarter operations. Connect devices and gather real-time data. Use AI to personalize e-commerce experiences. Boost conversions and loyalty. Train employees to work with AI tools. Empower your team for the future. Adopt AI for visual recognition. Ideal for retail, security, and healthcare sectors. Protect AI systems with strong cybersecurity. Keep your models and data safe. Maintain human oversight. Combine human judgment with AI accuracy. Focus on explainable AI, XAI. Make your AI's decisions transparent. Stay compliant with regulations. Follow data protection and AI governance laws. Use AI to manage risks, detect anomalies and prevent crises early. Use AI for sentiment analysis. Track public opinion about your brand. Analyze your website traffic using AI tools. Gain deeper user insights. Adopt voice AI for customer service. Enhance accessibility and convenience. Use AI to write business reports. Automate insights generation from data. Benchmark performance with AI dashboards. Visualize KPIs in real time. Test pricing strategies using AI models. Optimize for profit and customer satisfaction. Use generative AI for brainstorming ideas. Boost innovation sessions. Leverage AI for translation and localization. Go global effortlessly. Use AI to enhance cybersecurity threat detection. Identify vulnerabilities early. Build AI partnerships. Collaborate with startups or tech providers. Stay updated on AI trends. Follow news, research, and industry shifts. Invest in cloud-based AI tools. Scale your operations without heavy infrastructure. Create a culture of experimentation. Encourage trying new AI solutions. Utilize AI for time tracking and productivity. Optimize employee output. Incorporate AI in business forecasting. Predict market movements. Use AI-powered chatbots for 24/7 service. Improve responsiveness. Train your AI regularly. Update it with new data and feedback. Adopt AI for document management. Automate categorization and retrieval. Encourage cross-functional AI collaboration. Combine departments for greater impact. Measure customer satisfaction with AI. Use Net Promoter Score, NPS, analysis. Be future ready. Prepare your business to evolve with AI advancements. Thanks for watching, Habib.